Dawn seeps through the green cathedral and stone, each droplet of light awakening 1,000 lives.
Through the fog, a voice breaks the silence. The forest's morning bell, raw and ancient.
Colors take flight, brutal. A living chorus that paints the air with motion and sound. Every leaf carries light, a memory of rain, a promise of life renewed.
High above the forest floor, wisdom moves slowly to re. The forest thinks through gentle hands. In her arms, the next generation learns the rhythm of the trees. Patience, balance, care. Beneath the giants, the smallest architects weave kingdoms from leaves and sunlight. Each droplet becomes a mirror, assert. Each reflection, a world entire. Below the canopy, rivers breathe, their currents carrying stories from root to sea.
And as the sun takes its place, the jungle's pulse quickens one. Life, in perfect motion, begins its day.
From the roots to the clouds, the jungle breathes in layers, entering, each alive, each dependent on the other.
Grace in chaos time, the spider monkey turns the forest into an endless dance of air and balance.
Hidden in shadow, the jaguar waits, patient, perfect, and unseen.
Beneath the green surface, silence hunts its mace, ancient patience in a living coil.
The sky joins the songs of earth. Rain returns, and life sings louder still.
A million soldiers move as one hand. The forest bends to their purpose. Nothing is wasted here, alone. Every end feeds another beginning.
After the storm, beauty rebuilds, feathers dry, colors return to life.
The forest drinks deeply, hey, its veins pulsing beneath the green heart. Wings echo through the leaves, hopper, kinship carried on the wind. Each drop nourishes what it never sees, the roots that hold the world above.
Golden eyes move beneath emerald shade, silence stretched to a single breath.
When shadow meets motion, power becomes instant and absolute.
Death feeds the living, and the forest listens, unjudging, unbroken.
Every predator must rest, graven. The forest holds no judgment, only rhythm.
What one ends, another begins creation. Nothing wasted, nothing lost.
As the light softens, wings fold, the forest exhales, ready for dusk.
Daylight withdraws a faff. Shadows return to claim the kingdom of green.
The forest holds its breath once more ning, waiting for the night's unseen hunters to wake.
As light fades, the jungle shifts phase. Day's rhythm dissolves into shadows of hunger. From above the kingdom, the harpy watches, strength carved into silence. When power leaves the branch, the air itself bends in awe.
The forest replies to itself to wind. Voices of warning ripple through the mist.
Eyes narrow, breath slows and scrolls. The moment stretches thinner than air.
Then, gravity finds purpose curriculum. Silence shatters in a heartbeat.
Feathers meet fur when chondrical. The hunt ends before it's seen. In the darkness below, the forest absorbs the struggle, as it always has.
High above the forest, power feeds quietly the prone, unseen, unstoppable, complete.
The rain returns, washing away the evidence firm. Renewal through decay.
Darkness is never still. It teems with the hidden pulse of 1,000 lives. In the murk below, time stands still towed, waiting for one mistake above. And when the stillness moves
Beneath the black surface, life ends as quietly as it began.
Stillness returns, the cycle complete, the forest unchanged. Between roots and shadows, eyes shine, reflections of hunger and grace.
Every motion calculated, every silence earned known, patience sharpened to a blade.
Out of shadow, power becomes motion. The jungle breathes again.
Each meal echoes through the dark, a soft reminder of the law that binds all life.
Rain cloaks the forest once more torn. Life sleeps beneath a curtain of silver noise. The jungle exhales truth. Mist rolls like breath over its sleeping heart. And again, the first voices call. The jungle's endless circle begins anew. Every dawn, every storm, every hunt, the heart of the jungle beats on. The storm has passed, and the forest reigns again in calm, endless renewal.
Colors rise again with the sun, voices painting the air with joy and defiance. Among the branches, patience feeds quietly, wisdom wrapped in orange fur.
Beneath the giants, the forest's true heart beats hum, roots drinking the memory of storms.
The air itself dances, fragile wings reflecting 1,000 shades of survival.
The river returns the sky, balance reflected in every ripple.
Above the green ocean, the silent rulers remain, guardians of motion and balance.
Amid decay, beauty grows firm, proof that every ending feeds another beginning. Work never ends afat. Every raindrop undone is rebuilt by will and instinct.
Among the laughter of leaves, the future learns how to live. Once more, the rainforests, soft, endless, the heartbeat that never ceases.
Each drop guides a path uneven, life descending softly toward the night.
When light fades, other lights awaken, the hidden stars of the forest floor. From dusk to dawn, the forest breathes, unending, eternal, alive. And say the jungle endures found, a world unseen yet always awake, the living heart of Earth itself.